Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu, and good day everyone, especially to our professor, Ma'am Sarah Jane Diang Muhammad. We are tasked to make a video presentation in our subject, BSW 135, Social Welfare Policies, Programs, and Services.
In this video, we will be tackling about needs, problem, provision, social policy, and social welfare policy. By the way, I am Anabay Ibandala.
Sheradina A. Faisal Al-Sharif.
And I am Siti Amera K. Calon. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Wherein, if an individual's need was not provided, it might cause a dysfunction or worse, death. In other words, a need is something required for a safe, stable, and healthy life. Aside from the basic needs of an organism, such as air, water, food, and protection, humans also need social or social nature, for we need to socialize, interact, or belong to a family unit or group. Need varies depending upon an individual's situation. Problem: a situation, person, or thing that needs attention and needs to be dealt with or solved. A problem that is not being resolved immediately worsens the longer it takes and increases the impact of the problem being experienced. For example, a student was given a homework and the student did not do his homework immediately. Another teacher gave him a new task, doubling up the student's problem. In conclusion, problem is a thing that an individual is responsible with to resolve it, to overcome the unwelcome situation.
Social policy is the study of social services and welfare state. It is used for government policies for welfare and social protection. In general terms, it looks like the idea of social welfare and its relationship to politics and society.
The idea of social justice is that all people should have equal access to wealth, health, well-being, justice, privileges, and opportunity regardless of their legal, political, economic, or other circumstances. That means social policy is given for the upliftment, the improvement of those who are in poverty line or the poor people. And this is the basic responsibility of the government. They should make poor people with providing the basic amenities like food, shelter, clothes, health, and education.
Social welfare policy is defined as acts, laws, and rules that help to improve the lives of people in the community. It is those policies that are directed to create positive change and well-being at the broad social and community level. Furthermore, a social welfare policy is a policy that can improve personal welfare. An example of a social welfare policy is the one that ensures better health care for all.
Social welfare policies are generally targeted to specific population groups such as families in substandard housing, children in poverty, physically disabled, mistreated, and victims of particular diseases.
Social welfare policy is important because it protects citizens by fulfilling their basic needs and upholding a certain standard of living for all people. It supports low-income people and people who need more medical care.
Provision is defined as a supply of something or to the act of providing a supply of something. For example, the government is responsible for the provision of education for all the children.